Diamond Tools. We've been in the industry for more than 30 years now. It was set up by my father, and we have 30 years of excellence. But I would like to say that those 30 years of excellence is now represented by our team here, our partners here, our support system here. So this is just an example of the support system that we have here in South India. These are all our esteemed partners who've supported us for so long.
Yeah, I'm dealing with Vinayaka from past 12 years. We are using in all the granite quarries and factories. The products are very good. This material is used for stone processing units. So I am very happy dealing with Vinayaka Diamond Tools. And at present we are doing blades, saw blades and multi-blades. For South India, I am the partner now. Working with them is happy. So we feel good to do business with Vinayaka Diamond Tools.
Hi everyone, this is KNM Raju. I'm the sales head for Sai Granites. Sai Granites started from 2019 at Maturu. So we have a different kind of materials we are supplying to the B2B especially. In the B2B, we have a 5 to 6 variants are there: steel grey, black pearl, Latina white, D black, tiger black and GK black. This is our core product, and we are going to supply directly to the B2B suppliers and the big ventures also. So here, this is the first event we are conducting right now. So we are very happy to connect here the first exhibition for the Sai Granites. Thank you very much.
हेलो सर, मैं आशीष जैन केकड़ी राज डायमंड टूल आरडी इंडस्ट्री से हैं। हम यहाँ पे वायर रोप मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करते हैं और हैदराबाद में जो एग्जीबिशन लगी है उसमें अपनी वायर रोप के प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए आए हैं। पहले हम साउथ में माला डीलर के मार्फत वाया डीलर के बेचते थे। उसमें क्वारी ओनर को रेट का लॉस होता था। अब हम आए हैं कि डायरेक्ट हम क्वारी ओनर को या क्वारी ओनर के पास पहुंच के रेट का लॉस कम करके डायरेक्ट फैक्ट्री से आपको रोप पहुंचाएं। हमारी रोप आपके जो भी रोप आती है उससे एक्स्ट्रा कटिंग करेगी और अभी हम 300 रोप साउथ के अंदर सप्लाई करते हैं और अब मार्केट एक्सटेंड करने के लिए हम यहाँ पे एग्जीबिशन के अंदर पार्टिसिपेट किए हैं।
Paras Doshi from Jain Udyog. We are based into Hyderabad, and our company has been established in 1980 in Hyderabad, and we have been dealing into granite stone cutting tools used for granite cutting slabs and tiles, and we have been supplying to all most part of southern part of India. As of now, we have based in Hyderabad, and we have a warehouse in Chingmakutti, and we are supplying to major industries in the Chingmakutti, Karimnagar, Warangal, Khammam, Srikakulam, as well as other parts of like Orissa. We are going to Tamil Nadu also, and we are getting good response from our customers. And this exhibition we have been having here for the first time, and we are getting a good response from customers. No doubt, yesterday was a bit slow fall, but today we are having a good footfall, and we are expecting a good business from this also. Like.
Hello, my name is Krishna Bhanu. I am the country manager of Stonewin company. The Stonewin company is Zongwan Machineries, and it is the product we sell is Stonewin. This is multi-wire saw. And we using wires we cut the blocks of stones, granite. Inta safety ani it will be giving according to that class of the stone. It will be depending. That's a different subject. We don't do any cutting. We sell the machines. Manufacturing is in China. China company Japan kada. This is Zhongwan Machinery. Fusion Ziapu Zhongwan Machinery.
name is Jagannath. I'm sales head for Gosha machines, which are imported from China. And Sai Lakshmi, and she's assistant for the Gosha machines, and she dedicatedly will do for the South India. ఇది కంపెనీ అనేది ఇండియాలో ఈ మధ్య వచ్చిందండి. 1 year బ్యాక్ నుంచి ఇట్స్ బీన్ ఫ్లోటింగ్ బాగా అవుతుంది, అండ్ ఇట్స్ బికమింగ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు బికమ్ నెంబర్ 1 కంపెనీ ఇన్ ఇండియా ఆల్సో. ప్రయర్ ఇది మాత్రం చైనాలో మాత్రం ఇట్స్ ఏ లిస్టెడ్ కంపెనీ విచ్ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ అరౌండ్ 6,000 మంది ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఉన్నారు అందులో, అండ్ R&D ఇట్స్ డూయింగ్ వెరీ మచ్ హార్డ్. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు సెకండ్ జనరేషన్ కోసం కూడా ఇట్స్ వర్కింగ్ ఆన్ దట్. ఇది జనరల్గా ఇట్ విల్ కట్ ద హార్డ్ మెటీరియల్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇంపోర్టెడ్ మార్బుల్స్ అండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మైకెల్ ఆంజెలో కానీ, నమీబియా వైట్ కానీ, ఈవెన్ హానెక్స్ కానీ, విచ్ విల్ కట్ ప్రిసైజ్ కట్ వితౌట్ మచ్ డ్యామేజ్ ఆన్ ద వైర్స్ అండ్ ఎనీథింగ్. ఈవెన్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ అయిపోయినా ఆటోమేటిక్గా స్టాప్ అయిపోతుంది వితౌట్ ఈవెన్ చాపింగ్ ద వైర్. ఒక మిషన్ అనేది డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ద యూసేజ్ అండి. జనరల్గా మేము చెప్పిన ప్రకారం 10 years ప్లస్ ఒకసారి మిషన్ తీసుకుంటే 10 years ప్లస్ 24 hours వాడుకోండి పర్లేదు. కానీ కొందరు మాకు వచ్చిన క్లయింట్స్ వాళ్ళు చెప్పడం ప్రకారం 15 to 20 years దాకా ఉంటుందని చెప్తున్నారు.
Hello everyone, this is Kaz from Nanyang Single Machinery. We are a Chinese stone processing machinery manufacturer. So we have more than 20 years experience about making the stone processing machine. And our main products are stone flipping machine and stone transfer machine. And the stone flipping machine is for big stone block turnover flipping. And the transfer machine is a new thing. It's really popular in China, in India, in the world. So it can help the stone manufacturer to transfer the stone from one place to the other place with remote control, and it's very safety.
My name is Madhusudan Rawande. తెలుగు రాష్ట్రాల్లో మేము సర్కులర్ సాబ్లాంక్స్ సిన్స్ 30 years నుంచి సప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. మేము చైనీస్ గవర్నమెంట్ కంపెనీ HHF అనే కంపెనీ ఉంది, దానికి మేము ఏజెంట్స్ సౌత్ ఇండియాకి. ఇప్పుడు గ్రానైట్కి ఆల్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ స్టోన్ రిలేటెడ్ మేము సర్కులర్ సాబ్లాంక్ సప్లై చేస్తాము. దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ గుడ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ టు మీట్ ఆల్ అవర్ కస్టమర్స్ వన్ ప్లేస్. ఇట్ వాస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఇన్ Bangalore every alternate to year. One time Jaipur and one time Bangalore, and at the same time we are visiting Shaiman Fair in China also. This is a very good platform to meet our customers every time. That is different, depends upon your quality stone. If it is a hard stone, we will give hard stone quality. If it is a limestone or sandstone, we will give a different type of tools. There is a depends upon your stone and size. We will recommend blade size and quality.
Hello, I am Jitendra. I am the director of Concord Gears and Motors. We are from Rajasthan, Jaipur, and we are here to exhibit these products for this southern region. And we are the OE supplier to machine manufacturers, and we deals in gearboxes and industrial motors. So our USP is that we always provide the genuine products, timely supplies, and Italian and German gearboxes and motors. And we also support our machine manufacturer for designing of their products by giving selections of gearboxes and motors. We also have very good inventories of spares also. So, and that capacity starts from 0.25 kilowatt to 50 HP, like 40 kilowatt. And in gearboxes also, we are giving wide range of gearboxes, starting from worm gearboxes, helical gearboxes, planetary gearboxes, K-series gearboxes, F-series gearboxes. So wide range of products we have, and these are all German gearboxes. Yeah, we are planning to expand business in pan India also, and this may be the one of the key reason that we are exhibiting this product in here.
Rohit Saraf, India Stone Tech Private Limited. I am a director in the company. And basically we are selling multi-segments, mono wire, quarry wire and thin wire we have recently introduced, and all the disc polishing tools we have introduced. Mainly we are selling segments and quarry wire is our main products.
How is the product sales?
Product sale is very, very good and product selling are very, very good. In ropes, the diamond powder is being used, so JDD diamond powder is used. One rope is used like it's a life, so life comes around 400 to 500. It depend on the material. Yeah, so it is like regularly used. So is that how many some quarries you are using 5 ropes, some quarries are using 10 ropes like this. We have started this company in 2021 and 17 December 2021 we have started this company. Yeah, so many competitors are, but our products quality is very, very good. We are working with our company Linksing Diamond Tool. So product quality is very, very good. That's why things are running good. So we have recently participated in, like this is our second Stona, and we have a 25 member of team, and our product and quality is best. Thank you. Thank you.
My name is Ramanand Somani and from Muskan World Private Limited, and my company name is Green Stone, and we provide product of stone vineyard segment, and we are having so many product right now, and now stone is green. This is the concept of my company, and my product list start from 100 rupees per square feet to 300 rupees per square feet. This is the interior and exterior grade product and applied on any surface of the interior and exterior both. It starts from 100 rupees per square feet to 300 rupees per square feet right now. No, this is the real stone surface, and this extract from stones, and this is the process of peeling in this segment. And this is the good response in first segment. This is the first of the Hyderabad experience is the good for both company and exhibition all. Market is very good. This is the future product, and this industry is sustainability and eco-friendly nature. Then this is the future of our industry. Okay, thank you, thank you.
We are manufacturing tools for cutting and polishing granite, grinding, all purposes for granite consumables, from rough polish to fine polish. We are manufacturing tools. We are manufacturing in Chennai. Our factory is at Chennai. All suitable materials required for my product, all the metal powders, all resin powders, synthetic industrial diamond powders, everything we use required for the tool. So there is a wide range of materials. From 2-meter segments, fricates, line polish fricates, hand polish fricate, resin fricate, grinding segments, calibration segments, all major tools we are having. It depends on every product, every tool has a different things. It can't be explained in a single word, or it's not a single matter. I have variety of tools. So it is not difficult to tell in one word. It's very difficult to tell in one word. So there is a big competition, wide range of competition, from international competition from China and Indian manufacturers. We have to sustain everyone. Now it is becoming tougher with the dollar rate increase. My raw materials mostly I have to import. It's getting tougher. Maybe today it is better than yesterday. Second day is better, Saturday.
Myself Praveen Sharma from Udaipur, Rajasthan. My company name is Nava Stone. I am in the business from 2017. I am doing stone related products including handicraft, furniture, and we are basically in the business of export of marble blocks, granite, sandstone. We are sourcing from South Quarries as well, and majorly we are established in North India. So we are we are involved in the exotic options majorly. And recently from Hyderabad we have started this new section of furniture, exotic stones furniture. So yeah, we are doing all customized options, either from a smaller size to even like these giant tabletops, even statues, monuments, and consoles. All stuff we can do in the furniture. We are designing ourselves. We have the team in the Udaipur. We have queries in Rajasthan. From there we pick the best blocks and we do processing for